What is up, my family? I am back with another video. So you know what that means. I'm back with another banger. And today you're watching Life with Darcy. I'm Darcy. What's up though? Today, because I know last time I made that cooking video and that boy was it was hitting. I know, so I'm gonna hit you back with another one, but today I'm gonna get something close to my heart. I'm gonna let you know how I got fat, and this is the reason why. I made some cookies, you feel me, from scratch, from scriggity scratch, bringing it back one time from scratch. So that means not no Mrs. Fields, not no Pillsbury, none of that. From raw ingredients, put them together, mix them in a bowl, made some magic. So if you want to know how to make the best chocolate chip cookies ever, then come on, hit that like button and watch this video, because it's about to happen. That's a lot of ingredients, y'all. You need a lot of stuff to make cookies, just so you know. Bam, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna sift the flours together. The bread flour and then the all-purpose flour, AKA AP. Next, we're gonna go ahead and brown 1 cup of butter. Transition. Ooh! Dang, I'm getting good at this. It's brown. Now you're gonna take your butter, let it chill for a minute, mix in some vanilla, make it sweet, you feel me? Bring it back one time, and now we're about to put that brown sugar in there. Flip it like Missy Elliott. Dang, he did it. Ah, you go, boy. Yeah. So now you're gonna take that sugar and the vanilla and the butter, mix that together with the flours. Look at that. Look how she whipping it. Skirt, 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 skirt. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Boom. Now you put your chocolate chips or your toppings in it. Flip it one time. That's the reverse if you didn't notice. Yeah, chocolate chips. Now you want to preheat your oven to 350. Don't put it at 325, put it at 350 exactly. Bam. Scoop those little lovers back into a pan. You feel me, with some parchment paper, because we don't like to clean up afterwards. So scoop them into parchment. Oh, wait, boy, you bring it back. That's what they look like after you let them cook at 350 for 13 minutes. Betty Crocker ain't got nothing on me. That's the final result. Ooh, multiple angles so you can get all of this filling. Let this sizzle on your spirit. Y'all welcome. I know you know that video was amazing. I know your mouth is watering because them boys was delicious. So actually, I got something right here. Delicious. They taste wonderful. Delicious. They're wonderful. I did my thing. I'm gonna come back to you later, okay? So the cookies is great. They taste delicious, and if you think that you can make some, or you think this ain't even the best recipe, put it in the comments right now. Let me know if you think this is the recipe that you're gonna be trying or not. It's up to you. But make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already, and I will talk to y'all next Monday. Be back with some more fire. Thank y'all for watching Life with Darcy. I'm Darcy. Peace.